So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Pengu coin because friends right now you can see in trending coins Pengu is trending here, Su is trending, Pengu coin is trending, official Trump is trending, and another meme coin AI meme coin is AI 160 is also trending here. But friends, Pengu is also trending here, so this is good because Pengu was amazing meme coin already listed in Binance and Coinbase. I think 2 weeks ago I shared you Pango when its price was around $0.005. Right now, almost I think 2x from that video and 37% pump today. So this is good. But friends, still Pango is I think 80 90% down than its all-time high. So this Binance listed meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin again, and it's really possible if BTC stabilize on $92,000. Then we can see Pangu new all-time high in short term also. Current price $0.0086. Right now, friends, you can see last 7 days performance is good, 75% pump. Last 14 days, 96% pump. And Pengu, as I already show you that listed in Binance Coinbase. Current market, friends, $540 million. Already hit, I think, $4 billion market cap when this coin was newly launched. But due to market crash, tariff news, this coin was barely dumped here. Okay, all-time low market cap was around I think 300 million or maybe 250 million, but right now current market cap is good, $540 million, $217 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is awesome, friends. 88 billion coin max supply, 76 billion total supply in circulation. We have 62 billion coin supply. You can see, friends, lots of social communities here. We have X account, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. This is good. And Solana ecosystem, meme coin. You can see, friends, Binance holder airdrop and airdrop token by NFT project and made in USA category. This is new category going to fastest possible, and we are 87% down than its all-time high. There was December 17th, 4 months ago, when this coin was newly launched and make a massive hype in crypto market. All-time high market was around $3 to $4 billion, and we are 87% down than its all-time high. There was $0.068. Okay, $68, and you can see, friends, 16 days ago coin was in all-time low. There was $0.0037, and 128% up than its all-time low. And right now, because entire crypto market is going upward, so it's also possible that we can see Pangu to pump more here and maybe break its all-time high and make a new all-time high. Trend like still listing almost done because you can see, friends, Binance has listed, and Bitnix has listed, Bithumb has listed, Arbit, 2bit, OrangeX has listed, CoinW, Coinbase, Kraken has listed, MEXC, Gate.io, and mostly centralized exchanges has already listed this coin. So this is good. You can check out all further details here on their website. Website is looking good because it's a meme coin. Okay, and you can check out all further details about this meme coin here on their websites, all merchants and all other details here on their website. So this is good. You can see, friends, 515,000 holders for Pango coins. This is amazing. 550,000 holders for Pango within just, I think, 5-6 months of its launching. This is really amazing. Wallet number 1 has 14, and wallet number second has 13% of supply. Pango token developer has 12.5% of supply. Okay, so developer has huge supply, current worth about $96 million. This is not good, but as it's already listed on major central exchanges, so it's only, friends, what do you think about this coin? Red flag about this coin: the 12.5% supply, $96 million worth coins right now hold by its token developer. And wallet number 4 is Binance Exchange wallet holding 8.4% of supply, and Bybit, that is central exchange, holding 1.8% supply. So these are the top holders of this coin, top 10 holders of this coin. And friends, now my price prediction about Pango is that as this current market around 500 million, but friends, this coin has already hit $3 to $4 billion market. I think few months ago when newly launched here, and already listed Binance, Coinbase, mostly central exchange listing done for this coin. Not 1 year old meme coin, but I think only 5-6 months old only, and make a massive hype in crypto market already. And friends, I think maybe we can see this market from just 500 million to maybe 50 to $100 billion here. It's really possible. Right now it's looking impossible. and it's impossible for you, but for me it's really possible that we can see Pengu from just 540 million to maybe 50 to 100 billion dollars here, because this is not a cat or dog theme meme coin, a penguin theme meme coin, and new meme coin going to face its first bull run, unlike Floki, Shiba, and Dogecoin. They are very old meme coins. So Pengu, I'm very bullish on Pengu. I'm already holding this coin on MEX exchange. I think definitely Pengu can be top one of top 10 meme coins in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon. What's your price prediction? Do you think that Pengu can hit 50 to 100 billion dollars market cap or not? You can must comment down below. And friend, if you still not join my Telegram channel, so you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you all other cryptocurrencies updates here. So link in description. You can join my Telegram channel.